In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export WooCommerce orders in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned online store owner or just getting started, knowing how to export your orders can significantly streamline your business operations, making inventory management, accounting, and customer service tasks much more manageable. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins by navigating to the dashboard of WordPress. This is where you control all aspects of your website, and you can access it by entering your website's admin URL into your browser. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be greeted by the dashboard homepage, a central hub for all your website's activity. After you've familiarized yourself with the dashboard, the next step is to locate WooCommerce on the sidebar menu. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce store. Clicking on WooCommerce will take you to the main page of the plugin, where you can manage products, view reports, handle orders, and more. However, to export orders, you'll need an additional plugin because WooCommerce, by default, doesn't offer an export orders function in its standard setup. This is where a quick trip to the WordPress plugin repository will be necessary. Simply search for an Export WooCommerce Orders plugin, install and activate it. Make sure you select a plugin that's well reviewed and regularly updated to ensure compatibility and security. With the plugin installed, you'll notice a new option under WooCommerce called Export Orders. This is where things get interesting. Clicking on Export Orders brings you to an interface specifically designed for managing which order details you want to export. This area allows you to specify the date range, order statuses, and even select which columns you want to include in your export file. The level of customization ensures that you get exactly what you need from the export. Finally, we arrive at the moment of truth, the export process itself. Look for the export button within the export orders interface. Clicking this button will initiate the process of compiling the data into a downloadable file. Depending on the plugin you've chosen, you might have options for different file formats like CSV, XLS, or even XML. Once the export is complete, you can download the file to your computer. This downloadable file is not just a record, it's a versatile tool. You can import this data into spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis, share it with your accountant for financial bookkeeping, or even use it to import order details into a customer relationship management CRM system. Now let's talk about some additional tips to ensure your exporting process is smooth and efficient. First, it's crucial to regularly update both your WooCommerce plugin and the export plugin. This practice keeps your site secure and ensures compatibility. Second, consider scheduling exports on a regular basis to keep your external records up to date. Some export plugins offer automated scheduling features, saving you the hassle of manual exports. In case you're dealing with a high volume of orders, be patient with the export process, as it might take a little longer to compile all the information. And finally, make sure to store your exported data securely, especially since order information often contains sensitive customer details. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to exporting WooCommerce orders in just 5 minutes. This process not only makes managing your e-commerce store easier, but also opens up a wealth of data for operational and strategic analysis. Whether you're preparing for tax season, analyzing your sales trends, or simply backing up your store's data, having a reliable method to export your orders is a valuable skill that can save you time and provide deep insights into your business performance. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides and tips. Happy exporting!